Today, we are going to be doing a KWL chart. KWL stands for what we know. We're going to write everything that we know about the topic whenever we decide what our topic is. So we're going to write a topic first. And everything, what we don't know about the topic, we're going to write here. So any questions that we have about the topic that we're going to be choosing, we're going to be writing here, what we don't know. We're going to dive deep into the topic that we choose of, and after we're done diving deep into the topic that we choose of, we're going to do what we learned. And we're going to write everything that we learned about the topic. Pretty simple chart. You should have learned this back in grade school, so this will be easy.
All right, bro, so what topic are we going to choose today? So we got economics, trading, we got social issues, transgenders, anything in the world. What is the topic?
Let's do this.
Yeah,
we'll do a topic list. This is going to be our topic list. Economics, so we'll write down economics. You said market, we'll write down market. We'll write down social.
Yeah, social, yeah. And then you come up with like one or two. Trainees.
Trying to think. Another topic we discuss, blue collar.
Blue collar, okay, blue collar, yeah. It's a really popular one, especially for men.
Vehicles, specifically Kias, because they get a lot of hate. And we have room for one more. So what's our last? Well, what could it be?
Maybe we let the audience decide.
Okay. You guys decide. Let us know what should be our last one in the comments.
Yeah. All right, now we gotta narrow it down. Which one are we gonna choose?
Okay.
All right, so these two are kind of related, so we can just subject this to one.
So these are basically just one.
Yeah. Okay, blue collar is interesting. I like this one, and this is also kind of the same, right? Because vehicles.
Well, no, blue collar worker is different than vehicles.
I don't know too much about cars, or especially about Kias.
I don't know anything about Kias. We're gonna choose this. We're gonna do Kias.
There we go.
Okay.
There we go. Let's do Kias.
The topic will be Kia. Now, what do we know about Kia? We know it's a car.
One, it's a Korean car.
Korean car. That's great.
Republic of Korea.
We know that they just recently rebranded about maybe 5 years ago, so they had a recent rebrand.
Yeah, new logo.
Mm-hmm.
KA.
It's like a K. It looks like this. How does it go again? Like a K?
Something
like that. It's
Something like
something
that.
like that.
I also know that they are the owner of Genesis.
Really? I did not know that.
Genesis?
See, I did not know that.
Genesis, the luxury car brand, is owned by Kia. I'm almost positive. I hope I don't get that wrong, but
well, we'll look into it.
Yeah.
Because it's basically the same as like Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche,
Yeah,
all
exactly,
that stuff.
yeah.
Okay. What else do we know about Kia?
You gotta come up with the last one.
What do we know about Kia? I know Kias are actually becoming more popular. So I've seen them on the road a lot more recently. So they're becoming more popular.
All right.
Now, what don't we know about Kias? What I don't know is why they are so hated. If they're a car and I see them around everywhere. So why are they hated?
Yeah, they're not a very popular car. That's very true.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know who the founder is. I
That's
don't
a
know
great
who
question.
that is or the CEO. I know who the founder of Hyundai is
Mm-hmm.
and his story, but I don't know the story of Kia.
That's interesting. I'll add on to that and I'll say, what's their mission?
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
What exactly are they trying to accomplish? Being a car brand in such a distinct market, knowing that they're hated by a lot of people. Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna come up with the last one. I got a hint from the topic list.
Mm-hmm.
The market. Who's their market? I don't know who they're targeting.
That's great. That's a great question.
Are they
What's
in
their target audience?
Are they in Russia, Germany, South America? I don't know.
So right now, me and Santi are going to do some research on Kias. We're going to check all that stuff out, and we'll get back to you.
It's now been 10 minutes. What have we learned?
We searched up why were they hated. They were hated because of their cheap quality and their cheap build back in the old 2000s. So cheap built.
And they're known for thefts. A lot of people were stealing their cars recently.
Yeah. Santi, you're next.
All right, founder CEO, what I learned, it's founded in 1944, and it was supposedly saved by Hyundai. That's all I know about the founder CEO.
So for the mission, we learned that they are actually trying to lead the green. They're trying to be the leaders in green, basically like, eco mode and stuff like that. So that's great.
So their target market seems to be budget to mid buyers. Nothing super luxury, but with the advanced technology, if you want to bang for your buck, they also hired German designers and engineers.
Yes.
Even though their market is budget, they hired German designers.
So think of like the Stinger, the Kia Stinger, you would think it's like a German car. Like when I seen it in the road for the first time, I thought it was like an Audi built. Guess what? An Audi designer made that car. designed that car. So that makes a lot more sense.
Yes, sir. So let's wrap it up. What we learned. I mean, they're not liked obviously for their cheap and safety concerns.
So we learned that it was founded by Kim Chulhao. Sorry for the mispronunciation. It was founded in 1944, and actually it started as a bicycle company. They were making bike parts for everyone.
Pretty cool,
So
yeah.
that was cool.
Well, their mission is to lead the green revolution, kind of like Tesla's. They want to leave the petrol industry and focus on electricity.
And the market is the budget buyer. So they're getting them to buy their cars. Think of the Telluride, think of the Stinger, the K5s. Those cars were designed by the Germans. That's how they try and get you guys to get the car.
So, and what's the whole takeaway from
Well,
this chart?
guys, we went into this topic learning about Kias. I didn't personally know much about Kias, and I think after the research that we did, would I personally get a Kia? No, I still wouldn't. Do I hate Kias now? Not as much as I used to. I think Kias are cool. I think that they're doing a lot of cool stuff, but I still wouldn't buy a Kia. Son?
All right, so the KWL chart, I think is a great way to brainstorm and generate new ideas, whether you're doing this for work or for your personal interest. It's a great way to learn and dive deep into a category. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos of us doing stuff like this, comment down below.
Yes, sir.